Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Notesnook Error Code 500. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to sign up for Notesnook, but the process fails and the system displays this error. According to our research, the error likely happens due to server issues, network problems, or device-specific conflicts. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to visit status.notesnook.com and check if Notesnook services are down. If there is an outage, wait for some time and try again. If the error still comes and Notesnook services are working normally, then try switching your network. Simply use a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data and try signing up again. And check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then try using a different device. Simply switch to another phone or computer and try to create your account there, and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then possibly the issue is coming from the system itself. We suggest you send an email to support@streetwriters.co and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.